Gala. Again, I'm Mitch, and for today, we will be doing mango panna cotta. Okay? This is very easy recipe, guys. Kung ayaw nyo ma-stress sa holiday season, but you still want to prepare for your family, this recipe is very good. Okay? So, panna cotta or mango panna cotta panna cotta is an Italian dessert which means cooked cream. So later, we will be cooking the cream and then we will be blooming and melting the gelatin para si gelatin yung magbigay ng body sa panna cotta. Okay, let's start. I have here the ingredients. I have all-purpose cream, milk, mango juice, whipping cream. This one is for later, pang decoration. Tapos, mangoes. If you don't like manga, you can go ahead and try strawberries. And then I have sugar, 1 tablespoon ng gelatin for the bottom because we will be doing 2 layers, and another tablespoon of gelatin on top sa top na layer. Okay? Let's start. I have here saucepan. Bloom first your gelatin sa milk. Always talaga yan i-bloom and i-melt sa gelatin. Okay. You can also use gelatin sheets. Around mga 3 minutes bloom na yan, especially cold water. Okay? So, for the bottom layer, your recipe is your milk, and then your unflavored gelatin, unflavored gelatin, and then all-purpose cream, tapos si sugar. Ito yung sa bottom. On top, we have mango juice lang and si gelatin. Pagtabi natin yan. Baka magkagulo lang yan. And then I also have here shot glass. Okay? If you want mas bigger na glass, go ahead. If you want yung mga wine glass, okay lang. You can also bloom na the gelatin here sa mango juice para sa top layer. Once bloom si gelatin, you can mix the other ingredients, your granulated sugar and your cream. Tapos, i-melt natin over medium heat. So, the gelatin is bloomed already sa milk. Okay? So, mix na natin yung sugar and your cream. And then, let's cook. Para ma-melt si gelatin. Once the cream is cooked, ready ka ng sifter. Sift natin. Okay? So, here's your cream. Then, here's your glass. Kailangan eye level eh. Kailangan nakaupo. Yeah, I think pantay na. Okay? Then, chill natin. Chill for around 10 minutes. Mabilis yan mag-set. So, let's proceed to the second layer or the top layer sa mango panna cotta. So, this is your mango juice with gelatin. Yan, bloom na. Okay? Klaro ha, bloom na yan. So, lagay natin ulit. Pwede mo yung microwave ha, if you have microwave oven. If wala, always sift your panna cotta para mawala yung mga impurities, yung mga hindi natunaw. Yan. Kailangan hindi siya masyado mainit ha. The moment na i-pour mo siya on top of the vanilla panna cotta. Okay, so while waiting sa sa panna cotta na mag-set, pwede na natin i-whip si cream. Whipped cream is for decorations lang on top. If you don't like whipped cream, pwedeng mangoes lang. Okay? See, your panna cotta is set already. So, top na natin siya ng mango juice with gelatin. Okay. Ayan. So, nag-set na si gelatin, mango juice with gelatin. We can pipe whipped cream on top. If ayaw nyo ng whipped cream, okay lang. Mangoes na lang agad. So, konting whipped cream lang. There you go. Here's your mango panna cotta. See the layers? Panna cotta mo, tapos your mango juice with gelatin, tapos your fresh mangoes with whipped cream. Okay, there you go guys. Very easy to make for holidays. At least you can prepare this one ahead of time. Pwede sa morning, gawin mo na para pag evening, make up ka na lang. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking. Bye!